Hello everyone, this is David Lewis with your tip of the week. You know, we all know that the key to success in our sales process is the demonstration drive. The more customers we get to drive cars, the more sales we make. We also know that most customers are extremely defensive when they come to a car dealership. This is normal and expected. They even tend to get more defensive when we ask them to actually drive a car, as they know why we do this, which is to get them to make an emotional attachment to that particular vehicle. So my tip today is to slow your customer down just a bit. And instead of asking them to drive a car, simply first ask them if they want to sit in the car. If your customer has shown an interest in a particular vehicle, don't just ask them if they want to drive it, ask them if they want to sit in it, to check out the inside. Then once they're in the car for a bit, the transition to a demonstration drive is so much easier. Give it a try. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised at how most will accept your invitation to sit in the car and then will drive it next. Good luck.